having quotient from the concept of dice, right? Now what we have to do, we have to determine the opposite face that is having 1. Okay. Now we know that opposite face cannot be adjacent to each other, right? Okay. Now if you will see these figures, we are not having 1 in any of these, right? But if you will watch the dices, the faces of dices carefully, you will notice that in figure number 1 and in figure number 2, you are having two faces common, that is 4-2 and 4-2. So the wrist face that we are having in these two figures are the opposite pairs of each other. So we can easily say that 6 and 3 are the opposite pair of each other. Next one. If I talk about figure number 2 and figure number 3, figure number 2 and figure number 3, here I can easily see that here 4-3 and 4-3 are common. That means the rest faces are opposite pairs. That means we can say that 5 is opposite to what? Opposite to 2. 5 is opposite pair of 2, right? Now we are left with just two numbers. The one is 4 and the one is 1 itself. So what we have to do, we have to determine the opposite pair of 1, and that's 4. Do we have that in our option? Yes, option number B is given as 4. So I guess we can easily solve all these type of question in less than 15 seconds. It saves a lot of your time and you can invest this time in other sections.